हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो हम लोग बायोलॉजी पढ़ रहे थे। बायोलॉजी में हमारा ये छठा टॉपिक है जियोलॉजी का, ह्यूमन डिजीज़। ठीक है, डिजीज़ काउजेड बाय प्रोटोजोआ। ठीक है, प्रोटोजोआ से कौन सा डिजीज़ काउजेड होता है? डिजीज़ कहते हैं मलेरिया जो होता है, आरबीसी, और लीवर पे अफेक्ट करता है। पैरासाइट्स प्लाज्मोडियम, फीमेल एनोफिलिस, फीवर एंड शिवरिंग होती है। काला बोन मैरो। ये चार्ट आप पढ़ लेना आप लोग, ये इम्पोर्टेंट चार्ट है। ठीक है, मैलिग्नेंट मलेरिया इज pernicious malaria caused by plasmodium falciparum. Charles Levren discovered the malaria parasites plasmodium in the blood of the affected person in year 1880. Ronald Ross 1897 confirmed the malaria is caused by malaria parasites and told that mosquito is the carrier of it. ठीक है, organism that transmit disease from one individual to another is called the vector. Female Culex mosquito is the vector of variolysis. Quinine is the effective medicine used in the treatment of malaria, often from the bark and cinchona tree. ठीक है, disease caused by bacteria. कौन सा disease है? Tetanus, nervous system, क्लोस्ट्रीडियम, ये सारे सिम्टम्स। ठीक है, और ये डिजीज़ क्लोरिया, इंटेस्टाइन, ये सारे। इसमें वो पिंक कफ इम्पॉर्टेंट है, निमोनिया, लिप्रोसिस इम्पॉर्टेंट है। ठीक है, नोट करने वाली पॉइंट इन द ईयर 82 जर्मन साइंटिस्ट रॉबर्ट कॉच डिस्कवर्ड द बैक्टीरिया ऑफ Cholera and tuberculosis is also known as the white plague. Bird flu is a disease that affects human beings and spread through poultry. If waste material contaminate the source of drinking water, most probability to spread the disease is typhoid. ठीक है, vaccine, it is a biological preparation of weakened or killed pathogens which provides acquired immunity to the body for a particular disease. ठीक है, vaccinations, administration of vaccine to stimulate an individual's immune system to develop immunity to a pathogen producing antibodies. ठीक है, वैक्सीन क्या होती है? नेम ऑफ डिजीज DTP, डाइपेटेरिया पेट्रोसिस, चाइल्ड अप टू 1 ईयर, PCG। ठीक है, पोलियो, OPV। Louis Pasteur discovered the vaccine of rabies and pasteurization of milk. ठीक है, डिसीज का वायरस से कौन सी डिजीज होते हैं? एड्स, डेंगू फीवर, पोलियो, इन्फ्लुएंजा, चिल्ड्रन, चिकन पॉक्स, स्मॉल पॉक्स, कोट्रे, ये सारे वाले में। एड्स, एक्वेरियम, एमोनियन डिजीज सिंड्रोम, एलिशा टेस्ट of HIV viruses. AIDS, the transmission of HIV injection generally occurs through transfusion of contaminated blood. ठीक है, HIV infected helper lymphocytes which makes the immune system of body. The disease which has been eradicated in smallpox and 1H1 viruses is related with the disease swine flu. ठीक है, dengue fever is transmitted by the vector Aedes aegypti. Zika disease is caused by a virus transmitted by day times active Aedes mosquito. ठीक है, medical instrument, pacemaker, it is a small device that is placed in the chest to control the abnormal heart rate, heartbeat. Compound tomology scan, CT scan used to investigate abnormal functioning of the body. Electrocardio, ECG to find out the abnormality of heart. और एक होता है EEG, electroencephalogram used to detect malfunctioning of brain. ठीक है, rhinoscope is an instrument for examining the nose. Concave image used by dentists to see the image of teeth of a patient. Magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, used to find out the abnormality in the whole body. Autoanalyzer used to examine glucose, urea and cholesterol. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्या है? डिजीज काउज्ड बाय प्रोटोजोआ. ठीक है, डायरिया होता है. द रीजन ऑफ दिस डिजीज इज द प्रोसेस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ इंटर प्रोटोजोआ, नेमली एंटामोडिया हिस्टोरिका, विच इज स्प्रेड थ्रू house flies. It causes wounds in the intestine. protein digesting enzyme trypsin is destroying in this disease is mostly found in children. ठीक है. Disease caused by helminths filaria. This disease is caused by Vonserian bancroft. This worm is transmitted by the stings of Calyx mosquitoes. This disease causes swelling in legs, teeth, and other parts of the body. This is also known as elephantiasis, caused by fungus. ठीक है. Disease caused by fungus. Asthma. The spores of the fungi, namely Aspergillus fumigatus, reaches the lungs of the human and constitutes a net-like formation, thus obstructs the function of the. This is an infection disease. Athlete's foot. This disease is caused by fungi, namely Taenia. Pits. This is an infection disease of skin which spreads mainly due to the cracking of feet. ठीक है. Scrapes. Scabs. This disease is caused by the fungi, namely Scarasscapes. In this disease, the skin itches and white spot found on the skin. Okay. Baldness, which is caused by fungi, namely Tinea capitis. Due to this, hair of the head falls. Ringworm. This disease spread through the fungi, namely Trichophyton leucosum. This is an infection disease around a spot found on the skin. Some other disease, paralysis or hemipain. This disease within a few minutes, half of the body is paralyzed. The nerves of paralyzed part become inactive. The reason of this disease is due to high blood pressure, bursting of any blood vessels of brain, or insufficient supply of blood to brain. Allergy. Some substances like dust, smoke, chemical, clothes, cold are dangerous to some persons, and there are reaction in their body which causes itching, pimples, swelling in body, back spot, eczema, etc. are the examples of allergy. Schizophrenia. This is a mental disease which usually found in youth. The patient considers the imagination as a truth, not to the fact. These patients are lazy, emotionalish, and electropathy is helpful in this. This is epilepsy. This is caused by the internal disturbance of brain. In this disease, foam coming out of the mouth, and the patient fell down unconsciously. Next, diploria. This disease is caused by the paralysis of muscles of the eyes, in which double image is formed. Bronchitis. It is caused by the inflammation of tubes leading from the windpipe to lungs. Colds. This is highly infectious disease and is caused by a virus which results in a bad throat, headache, and watery nose. Colic. Severe pain in the abdomen caused by spasm of the internal organs, usually the intestines. Delirium. It is a serious mental disturbance occurring under the influence of poisonous drugs. ठीक है. Hydrophobia is caused by bite of a mad dog. Hydrophobia, hypermetrophobia. Alongside, one can see the object of a longer distance, but not the object of the nearer one. It can destroy. It can be corrected by convex lens. Myopia, short-sightedness. This is a person's माइग्रेन. बहुत सारे. There are 4 types of cancers. ठीक है. Carcinoma, it is also known as skin cancer. Sarcoma cancer is a connective tissues, bones, caries, and think this is not so useful in your exam. Presbyopia. It is a defect of vision which arises due to the diminishing flexibility of the eyes, hence losing the ability to focus on close object. ठीक है. Syntrosis. This is disease caused by inhalation of iron bus. ठीक है. तो ये 35 मैंने दिखा दिया. ये 35 आप पढ़ लेना. इसको माइग्रेन, ये सारे यूरेमिया, ग्लाइकोस्ट्रेन, ये सारे पढ़ लेना आप लोग. ये पढ़ लेना. और ये लास्ट हम लोग मिसलेनियस कल करेंगे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिसलेनियस करेंगे और ये हमारा आखिरी चैप्टर होगा. till then, thanks. Have a good day. Bye bye.